there, all the way there on the front of local road.
Yeah.
See this car driving.
Yeah.
One of my brethren said something to it, like I said, transport, anyway I'm pass him, come up and see him stop where one youth there.
Yeah.
The man, the youth attack like about not even 1 minute.
Yeah.
And the youth wall up him head and said, so I go and youth said, Charlie, come here where I'm an answer.
Yeah.
I go to him and say, I'm a carry 30.
Yeah.
So I say, 3 piece.
Yeah.
Where I carry the single, the 2 and the big one. Him say, no man, just 1 piece. So where I carry it from? So from New Kingston to Arthurtree.
Yeah.
So I give him $6,000. So him don't have 6, him have 5.
Yeah.
So alright, come in now. Him say drive back on me. Drive back on him.
Yeah.
Reach at this apartment.
Yeah.
When I go to the apartment,
yeah.
Security open me gate, people there. Everybody a move around. That about. What I call us about after 11 I go to 12.
In the night or morning?
Day, we don't work at night. We don't work at night.
No, we just want to set it for the people know so daytime him come for.
Yeah, broad day, sun out, everything there.
Yeah.
We go in to see people and things. I pull my truck side, and them the upstairs.
Yeah.
In the couch. So when them there, they the couch now. I say, alright. When you just send it over here, sir. But we can get it done easy.
Yes.
Them send it down over the rail, me and the youth down there take it, put it on the truck.
Yeah.
See? I put it on the truck, lock up the truck, and put it on, me get a strap and me strap it. That's it now, lean left and right.
Yes.
Boom. Him come down, him go in him car, him say drive back. I say, where we are going now? Him say, drive back on me, Arthurtree.
Arthurtree, yeah.
I will turn for Arthurtree road, and I go, like we are going down in Arthurtree, him turn at the battery place.
Yeah.
Follow him, because remember drive me, I drive back on him.
Yeah.
Reach down to Linda's road.
Yes.
We take a right turn.
Yes.
Going out back like we are going to Maxfield now.
Yes.
You see him put on him indicator, left indicator, and put on mine.
Yeah.
When we turn in, we see it's a car mart place. So you know where I look left and right, I see a car mart.
Yeah.
Me look on one of the car them and say, what? Boom, when I look, see a youth come pull a gate.
Yeah.
Show where a gate was show where. When the gate show where I'm driving in there, so. I say it's a car wash.
Yeah.
A bar and thing there.
Yeah.
Nice little place.
Yeah.
So, park my truck on the left hand side.
Yes.
Lock off the truck, come out.
Yes.
Jump up now the truck, pull the strap. Pass the next side gate. One side of the couch, the youth were coming in.
Yes.
And pass the next side gate, the youth were me carry.
Yes.
Where give me the rear.
Yes.
So, me give him that. Them say, put it here, sir. By then, when them put down the couch, she like him and talk to a lady.
Yeah.
But to me, them not hear what them say, but me see him and a lady have a talk.
Yes.
Anyway, me come out now, me wrap up me, throw in the strap, lock up my truck back. She say, yo bossy, him give me my $5,000. Jump down my truck.
Yeah.
Start it, ready for reverse out now. Me realize him carry kind of in the way, so make my second call him carry down him carry. Me turn and me come out.
That's the BMW?
I don't know if I do, I think it's a silver car. Right?
The silver car. Alright.
Boom. We reverse now and me drive go back a fields.
Yeah.
Boom. Then I do my work, get one of my brethren call me up at Charlton, I go do one work team, come back.
Yeah.
Boom, me there now, I get a 5 yard of sand, 5 yard of gravel to carry.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm carry the gravel.
Yeah.
So, anyway, you know, when me I carry the gravel, I realize that the truck, like the brake kind of soft. So I call my sister and say, yo, truck brake soft, you know.
Yeah.
Back wheel a leak, the fluid a leak out of your back wheel.
Yes.
So I have a next work to do. She said, brother, you can't drive it, so? So no, I'm going to call my next sister and give her the work.
Yeah.
Make she do it. call my next sister and she do it. Which do work what we are do? Of a auntie, so a family thing. So I
Yes,
make
a
my
family
next
business.
sister go do it.
Yeah.
Park the truck on me yard now. Next day now my
Police.
sister goes so boom. Then I call the mechanic and thing. Say alright. So me I go check out the place now where we can get the washer for each truck.
Yeah.
Borrow a car. She said, man, you me no want you have me car and no bragging thing. I said, no man, a business me I go do. Anyway, on my way I go check the thing. When the man tell me so I can't get it, so I have to get car a sample. So I call the mechanic. He said they are country I do a work.
Yes.
We have to go wait till him come up and put it down and we carry it for daily.
Yes.
Boom, now me go to kills. Back up my sister car there. Me look, me see police and thing.
Yeah.
Me I look at my region and say, oh, so much police are there, so what could I go on?
Yeah.
Boom, now, go in there, I buy me tea, come out. There, me get a one word. When my boss come, tell me, say, me now my truck, anyway, I give my bridge in it.
Yeah.
Charge man $15,000. We carry up 50 cement, 50 length of steel, 9 sheet of plywood ready.
Yes.
My brethren, me give him the work, him say, give me 12 grams, and give me 3 grand.
Yes.
3 grand when you give me now, that's for me.
Yeah.
And I'm going to do the work and thing. Me did it. Sister called me and said, where is our car? I said, alright, me so come. By then, me look, me get a call. I'm on my phone, so my next sister said, the supervisor in our field called her.
7. Yeah. Yo, where that?
Call her and say, them ask for charge